Khilafat to non-cooperation movement. The growing discontent against the British led to the launching of the Khilafat movement in 1919 and the non-cooperation movement in 1920. Turkey had been defeated in the First World War. After the war, England and its allies partitioned the Turkish Empire among themselves. The office of the Khalifa or the Sultan of Turkey was also abolished. The Khalifa was the religious head of the Muslims all over the world. The Muslims of India got enraged and started the Khilafat movement against the British in 1919. It was led by Ali brothers, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Mahatma Gandhi supported this movement because it offered him a good chance of uniting the Hindus and the Muslims. The events of 1919 greatly disillusioned Gandhi and the leaders. The passing of the Rowlatt Act, the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy and the Khilafat wrongs gave a new turn to Indian politics. So on 1st August 1920, Mahatma Gandhi started the non-cooperation movement. He advised the people not to cooperate with the British and make it impossible for them to run the administration. The people in great numbers gave up the government posts and titles. Mahatma Gandhi was the first to return the government medals. Thousands of students left the government schools and colleges. Many national institutions such as the Jamia Millia, the Kashi Vidyapith, the Gujarat Vidyapith, etc. were set up. Hundreds of lawyers such as Motilal Nehru, C.R. Das, Rajgopalachari and Asaf Ali gave up their legal practice. The people boycotted foreign goods. Huge bonfires of foreign goods were lit up all over the country. The takli and charkha were seen in every house. Khadi became the symbol of freedom. In short, the whole nation rose as one. The Khilafat Committee and the Congress agreed upon the triple purpose of non-cooperation: satisfactory solution of the Khilafat question, redressal of the Punjab wrongs, and attainment of Swaraj. The government struck hard to suppress this movement. All important leaders and thousands of people were put behind the bars. The movement was in full swing when it took a violent turn. The police fired at a Congress procession of 3,000 peasants at Chauri Chaura in Gorakhpur district of UP. The angry crowd attacked and burned the police station. It caused the death of 22 policemen. At this juncture, Mahatma Gandhi called off this movement in February 1922 because he believed in the policy of truth and non-violence. He said that without adequate discipline and restraint on the part of the people, the movement had proved to be a Himalayan blunder. Gandhiji advised constructive work to the people. This movement produced far-reaching results. It made our countrymen bold and patriotic. They lost the fear of the prison and the might of the government. It inspired them with a new confidence to fight for freedom. It turned the national movement into a mass movement.